Welcome to another American Beauty product support video tutorial.
Alright, we've got this little plumbing assembly that we're going to work on. This is just a preparation video showing some of the minor steps before you actually go in and do the soldering application. If I get out of view, let me know. So I'm just going to do preparatory. I'm going to put these back together, and then we're going to separate them just enough to know where the solder feed is at. So I backed it out about 1/4 of an inch. I've got just some regular rosin flux. I'm going to brush that on. You always want to be somewhat minimalistic when you use the flux. Everybody uses way too much flux. They think that's what's actually making the work happen, but it's not. It's calling American Beauty and finding out where you're making mistakes and overcoming them that way instead of adding more flux. So we've got a little dollop of flux on there. The joint's properly cleaned. Now I'm going to go ahead and push it back together, and then we're going to fixture this and solder it together. We've got our soldering system 10577, which is our 3000 watt, but we've actually got it set at the medium output, which is about 2000 watts. And this is lead-free solder. You'll notice when I turn this on, because you'll actually probably hear it, but you'll also see it start to get hot. Right there, we're live. You can see a little spot of red heat there. We want to let that heat saturate, and we're going to start feeding solder, and we're going to let the liquid solder do a capillary draw into this joint. Let's see if I can kind of force the, there we go, electrical aspect to chase the heat a little better. Now I've got it turned off because I got plenty of heat there, and I will start pulsing it as needed to be able to continue filling this to get the actual solder fillet that I want on this joint. Now I'm going to heat it again a little bit, and that's to burn off some of the excess flux. And that's a nice, pretty good quality, pristine joint, properly wetted and saturated down through it. And I will actually get a hold of it after it cools a little bit, and I'll show you that.
This photo shows that the solder has completely filled the mating surface of this copper pipe assembly.
American Beauty is your soldering, brazing, and thermal wire stripping solution provider.